Today, I will show you how to colorize black and white photos with AVCLabs Photo Enhancer, AI. Firstly, we should launch the AI program. Then, click the Browse button to import the black and white photo to the program. Currently, this AI photo enhancer provides 5 AI models to its users, and we need to choose the Colorize model at this time. As for the render factor, we can just keep the default value. After the prepare work is done, click the icon to preview the effect. If you are satisfied with the outcome, click the Save All button to save the colorized photo on your computer. You can check it by clicking the Open Output Directory button. Thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe our channel if you like it.